In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download images from Google to your gallery on mobile. So first, what I'm going to do is go onto Google and then type in a image that I'm going to download. So we're going to go into images, and then we're going to select a photo to download like this one. Now it doesn't really matter which photo, as it could be this one as well. Just make sure that it's a photo from Google. And then, so we're going to choose this one. And then simply all you have to do is press and hold on the photo, and then a pop-up icon is going to show up, and you want to click on download image. And yep, there you go. The image has been downloaded to your gallery. Now there's another method to download the image if for some whatever reason the first method does not work. So let's go to Google Logos, go to images. So for some weird reason, if the first method does not work, then here's another method that you can use. Simply just click on the image and then click on the visit button on the right hand side. And that's going to lead you to the website where the photo was originated from. And then the same deal, just click and hold and then click on the download image button right there. There you go, file downloaded, and now it is in my gallery.